Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the aftermath after Christmas and me cleaning everything up. I'm just going over the front living room. This is where we have the tree, so everything got unwrapped in here and just left in here, whatever didn't get opened right away. But the first thing I like to do is do like a little bit of light cleanup around the house, but I mostly like to tackle the clothes first. I like to take all of the little price tags and anything that's on the clothes so that I can put it right away, just because clothes is just seriously a pain once you have kids. There's clothes everywhere. Laundry is endless. So yeah, this is the first thing that I do. And then after that, I like to go through the toys and see they might get toys that they already have, or toys that they were not really interested in, and those toys I do like to keep them for others, so like for gifts and stuff like that. Sometimes we do donate stuff, but if it's brand new, we usually just keep it, and we will find someone else to give it to. The girls are pretty good about this too. I'll ask them. They had one particular toy that, I just figure, I'm like, are you guys gonna play with this? Like, do you like this, or do you want me to keep it and we can give it to somebody else as a gift? And they're like, no, yeah, let's keep it and give it to somebody else. So they're pretty good. They're pretty good at that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing first, and then we're going to move on to the decor and just literally tearing the whole house up and getting rid of all the Christmas stuff. And then I'm going to be putting out all of my old, but all of my other regular decor for around the house. And here's Mavis trying to ruin my progress. I just gave her a bag that I hadn't gone through yet. She's like, what are you doing? I want to do it too. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I just wanted to give you the rundown in the beginning of the video, and then just let the music play for the rest. And thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're interested in seeing the little transformation of Christmas explosion to normal, back to normal house, just go ahead and keep on watching.